Friends, welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video I have a look of refinance. What's the price change goes in the refinance, what's the high price of Reef, and what's the currently status of Reef and cryptocurrencies markets. I will show you in this video. So before starting this interesting video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now let's get start the video. First of all, we look the price prediction of refinance. What's the price change goes in the last 1 hour, what's the price change goes in the last 2 hour, I will show you in this video. As you can see now on the screen, that is the live price prediction occur in the refinance in the last 1 hour. If we see the last 1 hour price change occur in the Reef, so negative 1.98% chance occur in the refinance in the last 1 hour, and the high price of refinance is about $0.03868 is the high price of refinance. Friends, if we look the currently status, the currently chart price prediction of the refinance, so currently they are also in the falling period. Absolutely bad falls occur in the refinance. That is last 1 hour price prediction. Now let's see the last 2 hour price prediction. What's the price change goes in the last 2 hour. As you can see now on the screen, that is the last 2 hour price prediction of refinance. As you can see here, they are a complete structure of chart, as you can see here, but that is the refinance price prediction. As you can see here, the previous last 1 hour, the previous last the time they take a jump, but unfortunately now at this time they falling down. As you can see here, that is the chart occurs in this time. That is the currently change occur in the refinance, friends. So if we look the price change occur in the refinance, so the changes is a negative 0.79% occurs in the refinance in the last 2 hour, and the high price of refinance is about $0.0375 is the high price of refinance in the last 2 hour. So friends, according to the price prediction of last 1 hour, last 2 hour, the both are in negative, and now currently they are also in the falling. So my suggestion for all of Reef coin holders, that please hold your Reef coin with the last of this month, because the big pump are coming soon. We can't say about the future of any cryptocurrencies. Maybe they goes upward in the future, maybe they falls down in the future. So my suggestion for you to hold refinance, and if you want to buy a refinance, so it's not best time to buy refinance when they start pumping upward, when they start explosion. So it's the best time for you to buy a refinance. Please share your opinion in the comment box about your refinance, and remember to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of information and news videos.